Good evening, students. I have captured your attendance and paper discussion. 2011 Navodaya. We have completed passage 2 and we will continue that. I'm sharing my screen. So 2011. So we have completed mental ability and started discussing language. In the passage 2 is completed. We'll start with passage 3 now. Yes, passage 3. Laws of nature are not commands but statements of facts. What do you mean by laws of nature? Laws of nature means it is something related to physics, which you are going to learn in the future classes. So, for example, there is an apple on the tree, okay, and it is falling down from the tree. What is the reason that the apple is falling to the earth? Because of a law of nature called gravitation. So, like that, so many laws are there in physics and in the nature. They are not commands, they are not orders, but they are statements of facts. Facts means always truth. The use of the word law in this context is rather unfortunate. So, the use of the word law is different from what you think in the general sense. In the general sense, law means law and order. We discussed, like, so if anything is going against the order, then law will come into the picture. That means whoever is doing the mistake, them they are getting the punishment and etc. That is there in law and order. So this law is completely different from the general sense. So here the law means it is a statement of fact. It would be better to speak of uniformities of nature. So uniformities means in nature everything should follow the same rule. Okay, that is uniformity. This would do away with the elementary fallacy that a law implies a lawgiver. That means elementary fallacy means fundamental facts. Okay, that a law implies a lawgiver. If a piece of matter does not obey a law of nature, so anything is not following a law of nature, it is not punished. That means maybe we gave the wrong statement, but everything is following the law of nature as usually. On the contrary, we say that the law has been incorrectly stated. So, if anything is not following that law of nature or the property in nature, if it is not following that law, that means maybe we have stated it in a wrong way, but nature has specific laws to follow, like gravitation. If something is having some mass, then the other thing is having the mass. They are always attracted because of gravitation. Because of gravitation only, Earth is always going along with the sun. Wherever sun goes, Earth goes along with and rotates. That because of the gravitation, they bound together. Okay, so like that, not only gravitation, so many laws are there. So here, just a simple thing is given about the laws of nature. Let us try to answer the questions now. 86th one. If a piece of matter violates a nature's law, it is not punished because it is not binding to obey it. No, there is no superior being to enforce the law of nature. So there is nobody to control the laws. So nature has the properties; they will take care of themselves. So option B also wrong. It cannot be punished. It is clearly mentioned that it is cannot be punished. That means we cannot say that it is wrong. It simply means that the facts have not been correctly stated by the law. No. So on the contrary, we think like that, but it is not the case. So option C is correct. And 87. 87th one. The author is not happy with the word law. So author is not happy with the word law because it expresses rigidity and harshness. No, that is not mentioned here. It implies an agency which has made them. No, no agency is creating laws. So nature is following its own laws. It does not convey the sense of nature's uniformity. Yes, this is mentioned in the passage. So the law of nature, in this the word law is completely opposite of the general sense. So it gives rise to false beliefs. No, option C is correct. Going to the next one. Eighty-eighth one. Laws of nature differ from man-made laws because laws of nature are predefined in nature. That means everything is will follow it automatically. But man-made laws are different. Like government is following, making some laws, so everybody should follow this. Otherwise, you will be getting punished. So these two are different. Why they are different? Because the former state facts of nature. Former means the first one. First one is stating the facts of nature. Yes, this may be correct. They must be obeyed. So there is no reason that they must be obeyed. They are nature. No, unlike human laws, they are systematic. No, it's not given that in the passage they are systematic. Only thing we can say that they state facts of nature. This is mentioned in the passage. Option A. And 89, the laws of nature based on observation are so based on observation. So we observe something in the nature and we try to create a law. So the laws of nature based on observations are what? Conclusive about the nature of the universe, true and unfalsifiable, figments of the observer's imagination, subject to change in the light of new facts. So let us go option by option. Option A says conclusive about the nature of the universe. So about universe, definitely we cannot find everything. So only thing that is there in our observation, we will state laws. True and unfalsifiable. Maybe this is wrong. Why? Because we cannot create the laws which may be wrong. Sometimes they may be wrong. Figments of the observer's imagination. Yes, this is correct. Why? Because whatever observer is imagining that this is the law that nature is going to follow, they will create this parts of that. They are called figments of the observer's imagination. Subject to change in the light of new facts. No, whenever a new fact is given, the old fact will still be followed. So they cannot be changed always. Last one. 90, the antonyms of obey is, okay. Obey means it is agreeing it, okay. So they're asking the antonym: disobey, refuse, accept, and obedient. So here we can go with the antonym of obey. Like obey means accepting something, okay. That means these two are going synonyms. So the opposite of obey will be refuse, okay. But they're asking the form of the verb like obey, then we can go with refused. That means we are not going to accept it. It is refused. So students, doubts in this, you can raise your hand. Sharad, what is your doubt? Sharad?
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt, Sharad?
sir, in 88th question, what is the meaning of option D?
They must be obeyed. So see, man from the very old
Sir,
days.
option D.
Yeah, I'm explaining that. Man from the very old days, they have been creating some laws. For example, our solar system is having at the center sun or earth. Which is at the center of the solar system?
Sir, sun.
Sun is at the center of the solar system and remaining all are revolving about it because of gravitation. But in the olden days, what the people think to do is they think earth is at the center and sun is revolving around the sun, because that is a view from the earth, right? So some people have made it as law. So the law of nature is earth is at the center and sun is rotating about itself. But is it correct or wrong? Wrong. So sometimes we may get wrong laws of nature because our observation may be wrong. So there is no rule that they must be obeyed. So may not be obeyed because we may form the wrong laws of nature. But the true statement about laws of nature is always the state facts of the nature. In nature, what is correctly following that we mentioned. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir, 90 disobey also come, sir.
Obey, disobey, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, we can say obey means accepting something. Actually, disobey also correct. We can go with both of them, disobey and refused. So that is what I thought to do. So disobey and they said antonyms, plural they said, but more than one option is being correct. Disobey is also antonym of obey, and refused also the antonym of obey. Let's go with E. Both are correct. Shanvit, what is your doubt? Shanvit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what do you mean by obedient?
You are saying in 90 OBEY, that's one. Obey? Obey means suppose anybody is making rules, and if you are following the rules exactly without missing any point, then you are saying that you are obeying the rules. Obeying means following the rules. Okay, accepting. Okay,
Sir, my doubt is option D, sir, 90.
obedient. Obedient means it is actually a good habit. That is, being obedient means suppose if a good student is there, always obedient to the teacher. That means whatever teacher says, they will follow. That is nothing but obedient, following everything what they say. Okay.
Sir, what do you mean by conclusive?
Which question it is there?
Sir, 89.
89. What are you asking? Which
Sir,
option?
conclusive. Sir, A.
It is conclusive. Conclusive means bringing conclusion. Suppose if any condition is there, if it is accepted, what is the conclusion which is going to do? For example, I can give an example that suppose we listen to any story, okay, and finally they'll ask for a moral. Okay, what is a moral you learn from this story? That means in a single statement they're asking for the conclusion. Conclusion means giving an end and what we followed from that. Okay, that is nothing but conclusive. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, thank you.
Aditi, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
so I have 5 doubts.
Yes, tell me one by one.
Sir, you said that gravitation. Sir, if, you said
Aditi,
appeal.
don't go deep into physics because only we are answering the questions related to the passage. That's it. So don't ask why Earth is rotating about and everything. Only related to the passage we can answer. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of unfortunate?
Unfortunate means unlucky. Okay.
Sir, in 87th question, option A,
87th question option A. Yes.
sir, it
Not happy with
expresses
the word law.
the.
Why the author is not happy with the word law? Because laws of nature and the laws prepared by the government both are different. Here the meaning
Sir,
of law is property. It's not the rule. Okay.
sir, rigidity means.
Rigidity. Rigidity means very strong. Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of unfortunate?
Unfortunate. It's not unfortunate. But you're saying this one option C. This one
Sir, no, sir, in the passage.
in the passage. Unfortunate means unlucky. That means we are unlucky to get the same word here, but the meaning is completely different. That's what I want to say. Unfortunate is nothing but unlucky. Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of IMPLIES?
Impulsive means if nobody is also teaching you anything, but you have your own ability of doing something in that instant, that is impulsive. So for example, impulsive means suppose you as a student, suppose you don't want any what do you say, teachers are always should praise you, you have that kind of mentality, but in one particular exam teacher thought that you are not performing up to the mark and they said something like you're not concentrating or you're not revising. So what is your impulsive behavior? You'll automatically do that, you will correct your mistake. That is your impulsive behavior, right?
Okay, sir.
That instant what is the decision we will take automatically, that is called impulsive behavior. Okay, Aditya, I'll get back to you. Karthik, what is your doubt? Karthik?
Sir, what is the meaning of uniformity?
Uniformity means uniform. That means everything will follow the same thing. Uniformity means for all of them, same type of nature will be there. That is the actual meaning, right?
Sir, another two doubts.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is meaning of conclusive?
Conclusive, I already told you, conclusive is the verb form and conclusion is the noun form. That means final statement, what we are getting it as a, for example, you listen to any story, you say that the moral of the story is this. That means we are giving a final conclusion, what we get it from that. Okay?
Sir, another doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in 89th question, option B.
Option B, true and unfalsifiable. Unfalsifiable means it is not false at all. It's always true, that meaning. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Vishwajit, what is your doubt? Yes.
The 90 question A na
Which one you are saying? 90?
90
Yes.
A.
Obey, both words are opposite only. Disobey also same. Refused also same meaning. That means both can be accepted as antonyms. That's why more than one option correct. We are going with E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, going to the next passage. I think next one is not a passage. So they're asking finding an error. Okay. Let's take all the three questions at the same time. You have to find the error is there in which part of the sentence. Yes, directions for the questions 91 to 93. Find out the part which has an error in the following sentence. If there is no error, suppose if you don't find any error, you can choose option D. That means no error. Actually, this no error is not a part of that sentence. If you don't find an error in the sentence, you can go for that option D. Okay. So 91st one. The students returned back home well in time. The students returned back home well in time. That means here returned, they have used V3 here. Okay. So returned back well in time. That means it is said in present perfect tense. That means whenever present perfect tense is used before returned, either we have to use has or have. Okay. But what is the correct word to use here? The students is plural. So we have to use have. So here have is missing. So we go that option B having an error. That is have should be used. The students have returned back home well in time. Okay. That means just happened things we'll say that in present perfect tense, and the structure is word order is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. So here has or have is missing. Why? Because it is a just completed tense and it should be said in present perfect. So have is missing. So option B is having error. And 92. English should be made the national language. English should be make the national language. No, actually, here English, the work is done on English. Okay, English is not doing the work. The work is being done on English. So we should say in place of make, we should say made. English should be made the national language. So whenever you use make, that means English is doing some work. Is actually English is not doing the work. The work is being done on English. So we should say English should be made the national language. So here also the error is there in B. And 93. Ravi is a intelligent student of my school. Very, very simple question. So here, this word intelligent. Okay. The first sound of this word E. So E, we know it is which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? It is vowel sound. Vowel sound. Before vowel sound, which article we have to use? That is indefinite article or definite article. Here in this context, we have to use indefinite article. A or an. So before vowel sound, we are going to use an, but here A is given. So in place of A, we should have an. Ravi is an intelligent student of my school. So the mistake is in A. So we have to go with A. So students, doubts in this section, you can raise your hand. Lokesh, what is your doubt? Lokesh?
Sir, I not understand 91 question.
91, the students returned back home well in time. That means it is completed just now. The works, whatever we completed just now, the events, it should be said in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, the word order is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Here have is missing. Why? Because the students, it is plural. For singular we should use have. For plural we have to use have, but have is missing here. So option B, that part B is having an error. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shivansh. Shivansh.
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt?
sir, I have doubt in 93.
93. Ravi is, I told you already before vowel sound, intelligent, E.
Yes, sir.
Try to write intelligent in Telugu. Okay, in Telugu you write this, right? First, Telugu
Yes, sir.
E. So this is there in vowels or consonants. A to aha is called vowel sounds, right? And
Yes,
ka
sir.
to ra, you call this is consonants. So E is there in vowels group or consonants group?
Sir, Owens group.
Vowels group. That means it is vowel sound, right?
Yes, sir.
For vowel sounds, you have to use an, and before consonant sounds, you have to use a. So here E is a vowel sound. Before that, you have to use an. So I'm writing here, remember, an is used before vowel sounds. It's not the letter, you have to see the sound. Okay. So A is used before consonant sound. Consonant sound. You remember this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Ka- Karthik, raise your hand once. Karthik, can you raise your hand once? You're calling me. Yes, students. Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 90 question, sir, A is near Pina, sir.
Which one you're saying? 91st or 92nd?
Sir, 90. Sir, A is nearly there, na, sir.
90.
Yes, sir.
You're saying up 90, going back. Not nearly one. Disobey or refuse, both are having the same meaning. You are saying the previous question, right?
Yes, sir.
Disobey also refusing. That means you are not accepting. Refusing also not accepting. Both are same. Both are having actually synonyms.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
Sahasra, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand from 91 to 93.
So actually in this sentence, there are some parts are given, part A, part B, part C. So where is the mistake we have to identify? So the mistake is related to either tenses or articles, or it is using any verb form, what we don't know, but grammatically which is wrong, that part you have to identify. Whichever part is having mistake, that you have to choose. And if you don't find any mistake, then you have to go for D. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next, 94 and 95, these questions are similar. So let's take them together. Yes, these questions. Choose a word which is most opposite in meaning of the given word. The most opposite. That means antonym we have to choose. Okay. Queen. man, person, king, and woman. So most opposite means in this sense they are going for gender. So queen opposite gender is king. And 95, honest. Honest means not speaking falseness. That means not speaking lies, always speaking truth. Okay. So cruel is completely opposite. Cruel means not having any, like what do you say, punishing hard or not having any kindness. That is cruel. So kind and cruel are opposite words, but they are not related to honesty. Dishonest is the correct answer. Honest, dishonest. Good almost matches with the honest. They're both good qualities, but they're not opposites. So students, doubts in 94 and 95, you can raise a hand. Vihan, what is your doubt? Vihan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I doubt in previous part, sir.
Previous part. Okay, tell me.
Sir, in 90, I do not understood 92 questions, sir.
92, we have to find out the mistake in the statement. English should be make the national language. What is the mistake here? Make is the national language. Actually, what is the intention? What is their intention? They are asking to make English as the national language. So here English is doing the work or work is done on English.
Sir, work is done on English.
That means if you say English should make, that means English is doing some work. That is their meaning, right? So
Yes,
here,
sir.
making the national language, that work is done on English. So we should say English should be made. It is a passive form. English is receiving the work. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Make is wrong. That's why the mistake is there in part B. We have to choose B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Satvik, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is striking.
Satvik, can you leave and join again? I think the other students are not facing the issue. Aditi, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
honesty and good are and kind. Sir, honesty and kind are synonyms.
It's not synonyms actually. Honest, kind, good. Actually, they're all good habits. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Meaning is different.
Okay, sir.
Shrivalli, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Shrivalli.
sir, in 90th question, option D, what is the meaning, sir?
Which one? 94th?
Sir, no, sir, 90.
90. Okay, you are saying option D, obedient, right?
Yes, sir.
Obedient means always like following their orders, always having faith in them. So suppose if they are saying any statement, then we are not going against it. That means always following whatever they say, that we say obedient. Okay, like followers.
Sir, Ruchik and I am listening only one tab only, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, ma, going to the next question now. So 96 and 97, they are similar. Let's take both together. Yes, 96 and 97. Choose a word which is most similar in meaning of the given word. That means it's nothing but the synonyms that they want. Part. What do you mean by part? Part means, we know, suppose you break something into some pieces, each one can be called part. Handle, no, it is not having the same meaning. Section, yes, it may be having the same meaning of dividing into pieces. Save, different meaning. Sense, different meaning. So part and section, they're having same meaning. Dividing into pieces, each piece is called part, or we can call it section also. Keen. So the meaning of keen is, suppose you're interested in one story, one movie, and how you watch it, you watch with eagerness, interest, right? So very keenly. Suppose you're listening to any new story said by any language teacher, the story is very interesting. So how you listen to the story? So with eagerness, right? The eager is the same meaning is carried by the keen. Keen means having our full energy, full potential. We'll try to listen everything. Not only listening, doing anything or any work. If you put your complete efforts, then we can call it keen, and it's having the same meaning as eager. But what are the meanings of other words? Careful, the meaning, taking good care, and perfect. Perfect and keen, like both are about the work only, but perfect means it's not keen. Perfect means not having any mistakes, but keen means giving our 100% efforts. Efficient means without wasting time, or with less time also we are giving more products, then we say that efficient. So some people, what they do, like, they sit for hours and hours. They act like they are studying, but they are wasting time in thinking about other thing, or they are chit chatting with others, etc. That means they are inefficient. Inefficient means they are giving so much of time, but they are not doing the work properly. That is inefficient. So keen and eager having the same meaning. Doubts in these two, you can raise a hand. Charvika, what is your doubt, ma? Charvika?
Sir,
Yes, Charvika.
sir, I have three doubts.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, cruel means?
Cruel means having no kindness. That means punishing very hard. That means they don't have any kindness. For example, lion is hungry, right? And
Yes,
it,
sir.
no, hungry, it want to have the food. Suppose a deer, it's spotted, and how it kills the deer? Is it showing the kindness to the deer, or it is acting very cruelly? Is it? Do you understand the meaning?
Sir,
Yes.
no. Sir, no.
Cruel means how the lion kills the deer. Will it ask the deer your permission? Can I eat you?
Sir, no.
What it will do? It will catch its throat, and it will, with a bite, it will kill it first, right? So is it
Yes,
having the kindness or cruelty?
sir.
Cruelty, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the opposite word of cruel is kind. What do you mean by kind? Suppose you're going on a bike with your parents. Suppose somebody is met with a small accident. Okay, you don't know that person, but they're suffering from some injuries, blood loss is there. What do? You call 108 for ambulance, and they will come. Until they come, you're taking good care of them, giving water, offering water, and informing their uh, family members. That means you're acting kindly, right? That means you're showing your kindness to that person. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi, what is your doubt, ma? Sanvi?
Sir,
Yes, Sanvi.
sir, what is the opposite of keen?
Opposite of keen. Opposite of keen, you can say that with less interest. We can say that um, something, if you are not having interest, what do you call it? Mm,
Sir,
something you don't have interest at all. What do you call it? Avoid. Something like avoiding. Okay?
okay, sir.
Sahasra?
Sir, what is the
Yes.
meaning of eager?
Eager. Eager means suppose you like stories. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Generally, the language teachers will teach language with the help of stories only, right? Suppose a language teacher is starting with a good story and it is very interesting. How you listen to the story? It's very interesting, right? You listen to it with all your interest, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't
Yes,
waste time in talking to your friends and etc. You'll listen with interest. That is eagerness, or keeping your 100% efforts.
sir, one more doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, efficient means?
Efficient means whatever time we are giving to a work, we are giving 100% product. Like, that means even if you are sitting for some time also, you are using that time completely and revising everything properly. That means you are doing the work efficiently. But some people, even if they sit for hours, okay, they don't complete the work. That means they are giving so much of time, but the work is not getting completed. That is inefficiency. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Sorry.
your voice is stucking, sir.
Sarish, can you join again after leaving? Shrikruti,
Sir, what is mean by sense?
sense. Sense means we have five senses, right? What are the five senses we have? Sight, touch. Yes,
Yes, sir.
it means feeling something. Okay, we can feel something, that is nothing but having sense. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Jaivan, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 90 question you said option B means disobey. Na?
Which one you went back to 90? Yes, tell me.
Sir, option B is not matching.
Why not matching? Disobeying means not accepting only. That means,
Sir,
yes.
that refused means accept something in there in dictionary.
No, not dictionary, ma. In dictionary meaning you can see, but they are carrying the same meaning. Disobeying and refusing both are same. That means, suppose somebody is offering you something, okay? That means they are asking you to follow something. Then you said, I don't like that. I don't follow. That means you can say, I disobey your statement. You can say, or I refuse your statement. Both can be accepted.
Sir,
Okay.
then refused means accept something. Na?
Yeah, disobey also same thing. Disobeying means you are not accepting it. Refusing also you're not accepting it. Okay.
Sir, I am telling accept something.
See, accept opposite word is refuse. I understood. But refuse and disobey are carrying the same meaning. They are both antonyms of obey.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Going to the next one. It's 98 to 100. You have the same directions. In each of the following questions, choose the proper order of the words to make a meaningful sentence. So this type of questions we have in Sainik exam also. So we have to arrange them in a proper order so that the complete, a clear meaning is seen in the sentence. Okay. So let us read the parts. Reach, time they, by the train will have left the railway station. So how can we arrange them to have a proper meaning, to carry the same meaning? So let's go with option by option. If I go with option A, by the reach time they, the railway station, the train will have left, carrying no sense at all, no meaning. Wrong option. Option B, 31245. By the reach time they, the train will have left the railway station. Yeah, last part of the sentence is carrying some meaning, but in the beginning it is wrong. So let's go with option C, 32154. By the time they reach the railway station, the train will have left. Yes, this is correct. This is carrying the complete meaning. I repeat again. By the time they reach the railway station, the train will have left. So before they leave, the train will have left. Okay, it is said in future perfect tense. Okay, it's carrying this complete meaning. So let's go with option D once, 12543. Reach time they, the railway station, the train will have left by the completely nonsense. Option D. So 99. Uh, cannot second fiddle to others, John, and play. Okay. Um, now let's go option by option. Okay. Now going to the option A, 41523. John cannot play second fiddle to others. So playing second fiddle is like a idiom. Playing second fiddle means like working under somebody, following anybody's order. Here actually fiddle means a musical instrument also, it's looking like violin. But second fiddle means it is a idiom. Playing second fiddle means what? Following anybody's order, like treating them as our guru, and whatever they say we follow. So it is like a slave and master. So he don't want to do that. That is the meaning. So option A, 41523. John cannot play second fiddle to others. Yes, this is carrying some meaning, but let's go with option B, C, D check once. Option B, 45123. John play cannot second fiddle to others. No. wrong order of the words. Option C, 42315. John, second fiddle to others, cannot play. Wrong word order. 32154. To others, second fiddle, cannot play John. Completely wrong. So option A is correct. Let's take one more question, then I'll open for doubts. Okay. Of the have rotten pillars 9, 10th away. So let's go option by option. Option A says 43125. What is that? 9 pillars of the have rotten away, not carrying any meaning. Option B, 42315. 9, 10th have rotten pillars of the away, not carrying any meaning. Option C, 41325. 9/10 of the pillars have rotten away. 9/10 of the pillars have rotten away. Okay, this is carrying some meaning because the word order is correct. And 41352. 9/10 of the pillars away have rotten. So last two parts are not in proper order. So we're going the option C. Next, students, you have doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Karthik, what is your doubt?
Sir, what is the meaning of second fiddle?
Playing second fiddle. Actually, fiddle means it is a musical instrument. It looks like violin. Playing second fiddle is an idiom. That means, like whatever the others say, if you're not others, suppose there is a slave and master. Okay, like whatever master says, the slave will obey it and he will do automatically whatever he say. That means he always second fiddles him. Second fiddles means he's treated as a subordinate. Subordinate means he's treating him as a slave. Whatever he says, he always do. That is playing second fiddle. Okay, it is like an idiom. Okay. Yes.
Sir, another doubt.
Yes, ma.
Sir, 95 question.
95.
Sir, yes.
Yes. What is your doubt?
Sir, why cruel is not antonym of honest?
You are saying honest antonym is cruel.
Sir, why not?
Why not means kind and cruel are opposites of each other, but honest is a quality actually. The opposite quality of honesty is dishonest.
Okay.
Okay. Going to the next one. Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir, what is the meaning of grammatically?
Grammatically means following all the grammar rules.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yes.
Sir, 97 question.
97, yes.
Sir, keen means perfect also come na, sir?
Keen is not perfect. Keen means with all your interest. That is the meaning of keen.
Sir,
Okay?
sir, keenly means very
Keenly
observing
means whenever
carefully.
you are doing any work, either you are doing work or listening to somebody or whatever thing you do, if you are doing it keenly, that means you are giving your 100% efforts. But it may be perfect or not, it is secondary, but you are giving your 100% efforts in that. That means you
Sir,
have interest in it. That is keen.
sir, observing keenly means observing perfectly also come na, sir?
No, no, no. Observing keenly means listening with all your interest. Perfect is actually the outcome. Outcome may be perfect or not, we don't know. But we are giving
Okay.
our 100% in doing that work because we are interested.
Okay, sir.
Shanvit, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 90 question, option A only, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss later in the institute. You can ask me. Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 99 question.
Yes, 99 question.
Sir, sir, why second field is there?
Second fiddle, it is an idiom. Idiom means, suppose two friends are there, okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
uh, there are like two girls are there and they are friends. But the girl, what one girl did is, he, what she did it, whatever she says, the other student is always following without any errors. Okay, she's always acting like a master. Whatever she says, the other student is doing it. Okay, that means the second student who is doing the work always whatever she says, then we can use the idiom. She's playing second fiddle to him, to her. Second fiddle means acting like a slave, being subordinate to somebody else. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have one more doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in 100th question, how rot end means?
Rotten, actually, that is also like an idiom. If something we have created, if almost everything is damaged, then we can use this idiom. That means, what is this idiom? 9/10 of the pillars have rotten away. That means it is like a construction, like a bridge. It is comparing to getting compared to that bridge. If all the pillars are damaged, then the can the bridge sustain? No, it collapses, right? That means it is about to collapse. That is the meaning of that. About to collapse, about to destroy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, students, we are done with English and going back to the next section, that is mathematics. Arithmetic test. Yes, 51st question. How many days are there in 2 months, 5 weeks, and 18 days? So we need to convert everything into days and add. So 2 months. So if nothing is said, we already know what is the number of days to be used for months. 1 month is equal to 30 days. Which month they didn't mention. So we can take 30 days plus 5 weeks. 1 week contains 7 days. And plus 18 days are already days. Don't disturb that. So to convert months into days, I multiplied by 30. To convert weeks into days, you multiply by 7. Then you can add this. 60 plus 2 into 30, 60, 5 into 7, 35, and plus 18. So what are we getting? 95. So 113 days. Option A. So students, doubts in this, you can raise your hand. Vedasri, do you have any doubt in this?
Sir,
Yes, Vedasri.
sir, now some time came total screen white, sir.
Come again.
Sir, some time coming total screen white,
Can
sir.
you see it now clearly?
Yes, sir.
B Varshini, what is your doubt? B Varshini? Varshini, you're not audible. Varshini.
I didn't understand.
See, 1 month is equal to how many days?
So 1 month is goes to 30 days.
Hello? 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 Yeah, students, some students are calling me while class is continuing. Don't call me while I'm taking class. Okay. Varshini, months I want to convert into days. 1 month is equal to how many days, Varshini?
So 30.
So 2 you multiply by 30. 5 weeks we need to convert into days. 1 week is equal to how many days?
1 week is equals to 7 days.
So 5 into 7. And already 18 days are there. 2 into 30 is 60. 5 into 7 is 35. And 18. You can add and you got the answer A. Okay?
Sir, but it also can be B na.
Why Bhima?
So 31 plus 31
No,
in
whenever
months.
in general sense we say month means 30 days. So you remember it as a rule. If nothing is said about the month, only they are mentioning month, then we have to take 30. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next question. So 52nd one, LCM of these numbers. So let me do it in common division method. 42, 70, 98, and 126. So common division method, what we have to keep in mind for LCM, even if any two are divisible by any number, we can continue doing the division. So I see all the numbers are divisible by 2. Can I take 2 here? 2 into 21 42, 2 into 35 70, 2 into 49 98, 2 into 63 is 126. Can I use 2 again? No, I cannot use, because at least 2 should be divisible, then we can take. Can I take 3? Yes, more than one number is divisible by 3. That means this is divisible and this is divisible. So I can take 3 now. 3 sevens are 21. 35 is not divisible. If something is not divisible, you write as it is. 49 also not divisible. 3 into 21 is 63. Now, can I take 3 again? Only 21 is divisible by 3 and nothing else. So no use of taking 3. Now, can I take 5? 5 only, this is divisible. So don't take that. Now, can I take 7? So you check only prime numbers. Yes, 7. I think all are divisible. All are multiples of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 threes are 21. So there are no common factors left. When no common factors left, you can stop doing that process and you can multiply. So you can multiply all these numbers to get LCM. But suppose if you are doing HCF, only left side numbers will multiply, and that too if all are divisible. But here we are doing LCM, all the numbers we need to multiply. But don't waste your time in multiplying all the numbers. 2 and 5, you keep it separate. Why? Because 2 and 5 will make a 10. Just we are going to add 0 at the end. Remaining numbers you can multiply. 3, 7, 7, 3. So 3 repeated 2 times, 7 repeated 2 times. So 7 threes are 21. We know 21 square is 441. We remembered squares up to 32. So because of this 2 and 5, 2 into 5 is 10. Multiplying any number by 10, you will get 0 here. 4410. That is option C. So students, doubts in this, you can raise your hand. I think it is a direct LCM process only. Karthik, did you log in from the other device?
Sir, yes.
Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, your voice is striking.
Karthik, can you leave the class and join again?
Okay, sir.
Hansvika, what is your doubt? Hansvika?
Sir,
Yes, Hansvika, what is your doubt in this question?
sir, by mistake touch, sir.
Okay. Vishwajit? Vishwajit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is striking.
Vishwajit, can you leave and join again?
Okay.
Srivalli?
Sir, it is striking.
Okay, now can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, next question. 53rd one. Next 53rd one. What value must be given to star so that the number is divisible by 25? We know the divisibility rule by 25. What is that? The last two digits we are going to check, either 00 or 25 or 50 or 75 must be there. But observing this number 6912, in place of star, let me use box. So starting by 2, we should have the next digit 5. So in place of star, we should have 5. That is option B. So students, remember this divisibility rule by 25. That is, no need to divide that number and check completely. Check only the last two digits. If you have 00, 25, 50 or 75, then it is divisible by 25. Option B. So this is very simple question and skipping it and going to the next one. 54th one. Which of the following is the smallest four-digit number? Very, very simple question. Smallest four-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four digits should be filled. And we cannot start by 0. Because smallest means we want to write smallest possible digits. But you cannot start by 0. But you can start by 1. After 1, you can use all zeros. No problem. So 1000. This is the smallest four-digit number. Option A. Next. 55. 55th one. The difference between the place values of two sevens in this number. 27307. So between the place values of two sevens in this number, you want the difference. So 7 is there in two places. So place value. What do you mean by place value? Place value means you have to remember this. Place value is always the digit should be multiplied by its place. Okay. So the product of digit and place will give you the place value. So here this 7 is there in which place? Thousands place. So 7 into 1000 will give you 7000, and this 7's place value, that is 7 into 7 is there in 1's place. 7 into 1 is 7. So between these two, they are asking the difference. Subtract 6993. That is option A. 56th one. These are easy questions. So I skip and go to the next one. But if you have doubt, together I can discuss it at a time. So 56th one. Which one of the following is a prime number? Yes, prime numbers we have remembered up to 100, and there are exactly 25 prime numbers before 100. 81 is divisible by 9. It is not a prime number. 85 is divisible by 5. It is not a prime number. How did I check it is divisible by 9? You can check some of the digits is 9 and it is divisible by 9, and also by 3. 85, last digit is 5. It is divisible by 5. 87, some of the digits is 15. It is divisible by 3. But 83 is a prime number. It is divisible only by two numbers, 1 and 83, and nothing else. Such type of numbers are called prime numbers. So it is option B. These are very, very simple questions in this paper. 57. The multiple of 7 between 14 and 77. That means they want the number of multiples, how many are there between 14 and 77. You need not write all the multiples like 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and you keep on writing up to 70. Yes, you can do that. You can write and count. But how do we do 14 and 77? 14 is nothing but 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. And 77 is nothing but 7 into 11. Obviously, the multiples between these two are going to be 7 into 3, 7 into 4, and so on up to 7 into 10. So this number we want. Between means this one and this one we don't take into count. Only the middle ones we have to take into count. That means starting from 3 to 10, we have to count. 3 to 10, how many are there? I told you from to count. From 3 to 10, how many will be there? From to count formula I told you. Bigger minus smaller plus 1. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have exactly 8. So even if you write and count, you get exactly 8 multiples of 7 between them. Option C. So students, doubts still here? You have any? You can raise your hand. Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan?
Sir, I'm raised hand from 51 only, sir.
Okay, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Sir, in 51.
What was the question in 51?
Sir, why won't we take, sir, you take 30 days, 30 days. Sir, why won't we take 30, 31 days or 31,
That is,
31?
as a general rule in mathematics, we follow if nothing is mentioned about the month, we will consider 30 only. Remember.
Okay, sir.
Vihan, what is your doubt? Vihan?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
I checked my internet connection and the other students are also responding well. Can you leave and join again?
Okay, sir.
Cyber, then what is your doubt?
Sir, sir,
Cyber, then what is your doubt?
sir,
Yes?
in 57 question,
Yes.
14 divided by 7 is 2 and 77 divided by 7 is 11. Between 2 and 11, there are 8 numbers.
Yeah, you can use between for count formula also. You can also write between 2 and 11. Between count, what is the formula, Cyber then?
Sir, sir,
Bigger
sir,
minus
bigger
smaller
minus
minus
smaller
1.
plus minus 1.
Very good. Yes, 9 minus 1, 8. So any method you do, you'll get same
Minus
answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. But from to count, you should remember, and between count also you should remember. From to count is bigger minus smaller plus 1,
Plus
and
1.
between count is bigger minus smaller
Bigger
minus.
minus smaller minus 1.
Okay? Very good. Satvik?
Sir,
Yes, Satvik?
sir, international 57th question.
57th one. Okay, let me write and show. So between 14 and 77, how many multiples of 7 are there? So 7 twos are 14. What is the next multiple after 14?
Sir, 21.
7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 49, next 56, and next 63 and 70. These are the multiples between them, right? You can write here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But without counting, I got the answer 8, right?
Yes, sir.
See, because 14 and 77 are very small numbers, you can write manually and count. But if they ask between 14 and 7,000, can you count manually, write all the multiples and count? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Don't depend on these manual methods in mathematics. You have to go for such pattern. Okay. So all the multiples can be written as 7 into 3, 7 into 4, and so on up to 7 into 10. Right? So from 3, I want up to 10. That means from to count, I told you already.
Yes, sir.
From to count, what is the formula?
Sir,
Bigger minus smaller plus 1.
plus count.
Yes. So 10 minus 3 plus 1 you do, you'll get 8. That means without writing these numbers, I have said the answer 8, right?
Yes, sir.
As Ivar then said, without writing the numbers between them, you can use this 2 and you can use this 11. And between count also you can use. Between count, what is the formula? Bigger minus smaller minus 1, right?
Minus 1.
So 11 minus 2 minus 1, then also you'll get the answer 8. Option C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And going to the next one. It's 58th one. Convert 4 meters, 2604 centimeters into centimeters. So this is already there in centimeters, so we need not convert that. But 4 meters we need to convert into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So to convert 4 meters into centimeters, we can multiply by 100. 4 into 100 centimeters. It's going to be 400 centimeters. So already 400 centimeters we got, and extra 2304 we need to add. 4001 carry this is 3. 3004 centimeters. Option C. So very simple question. Moving to the next one. This paper maths questions are very simple. So I need 25 out of 25 at least. 10 students I want. Let us see after getting the result. 59. The sum of the sum total of 975, 983, 923, 913, 985 to its nearest 100 will be. Okay. So some students, what they do, they will add everything and they check the nearest number. The sum total of 975, 983, 923, 913 and 985. Okay. So what you need to do, suppose if you find the nearest 100 and you add, then definitely you're going to get, this is 1000, this is 1000, this is 900, this is 900, and this is 1000. You'll be getting 1000 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 3000 and 2 900s, that is 4800 you'll get. But if you add first, then get the nearest 100. Let us do it in both methods. Method number one, first we are rounding off to nearest 100. So 975 nearest 100 is going to be 1000, and 983 is also 1000, 923 is 900, 913 is 900, and 985 is 1000. If you add them, you'll get 3000 plus extra 1800, you'll get 4800. And suppose if you add them, then find the nearest 100, 975, 983, 923, 913 and 985. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 9, 1 carry, 16, 18, 17 and 25. 5, 2 carry, 9 5s are 45 plus 2, that is 47, and converting this into nearest 100, that is 4800. So you can check method 1 how easily we got the answer than method 2. That means first rounding off, then finding the sum will give you easy answer. Okay, 4800 option D. Actually, this is the exact method that you can do, and this is the approximate method. But rounding off we do for this use only. That is, we can get approximate sum easily. First I find the sum, then I convert into nearest 100. You are wasting so much of time to get the answer. But first you round off, then add. So all zeros are there. It is very easy to add. So it is 4800 option D. Students, doubts in this? Mayuk, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
your voice is breaking sometimes.
Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You have any doubts?
So no.
Vihan, what is your doubt? Vihan,
Sir, suddenly touch it, sir.
Vilochan,
Heartbeat మాత్రం నువ్వే తీసుకో మంచి తీసుకుంటా
Vilochan.
Sir,
Yes, Vilochan.
sir, first only nearest and adding means, sir, sometimes wrong coming, sir.
But in our syllabus, the actually why we are learning rounding off? Tell me, Vilochan. Why are learning finding nearest tens, nearest hundred? There should be some use of doing rounding off, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
use of rounding off is to get the sums approximately easily. So because we are learning it to get the sums nearest approximate answer easily, but again you are doing the difficult thing. So in our syllabus, this kind of questions surely they were asking about first round off, then do the operation. Okay.
Sir, that like sir, sometimes, sir, add and nearest is 4800. Sir,
Vilochan,
nearest.
Vilochan, that's what I'm saying. Exact answer is always different from approximate answer. But we are learning rounding off concept only to get the approximate answer, not the exact answer. Okay.
Okay,
So in
sir.
our syllabus, this type of questions, first you do approximation, then do the operation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tanush, what is your doubt? Tanush, you raised and left. Anvijay,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
now is it clear?
No, sir.
Now also not clear.
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite color?
Sir?
What is your favorite color?
Sir, what?
What is your favorite color, Anvijay?
Sir, my favorite color is blue.
So you're understanding my question, right?
Sir, now.
That's what I asked. Okay, you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. 51.
51, you went long back. You can ask me that question in institute. Sasha,
Tell once.
see, first you have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Rounding off to the nearest hundred, do you remember, Sasha?
Yes, sir.
Suppose 975, I want to round off to the nearest hundred. First, round up the digit what you are rounding off to. Always check the next digit. Okay? If the next digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't change anything. But if the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must do plus 1 to the digit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because the next digit is 7, 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. And these two digits are going to be 0, 0. Is it 1000?
Yes, sir.
Like that, I have rounded off every number to the nearest 100, then added. I got 4800. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Going to the next question, 60. $80,905 is represented in number form as. So this paper, if I see maths questions, they are very, very simple. Let me see how many of you are going to get 25 out of 25 in this. 80,905. Some people are still having problems in converting words to numbers, either in Indian system or international system. So for the students who are struggling to write like this, I am telling you one small thing just to remember. First, you use blank spaces, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. If you want, you can use comma also. Okay, thousands, 10,000s. So in this question, 80,000 means up to 10,000 only we want. Yes, we have used the blank spaces. Then 80,000. That means in 1000 period, you write 80. That is 80. And 905. How will you write 905? 905. So whenever zeros are there, then only their problem comes. Okay, that is 80 comma 905. Which option? Option B. I don't think anyone having doubt in this. 61. 61. Which one of the following is equivalent of 6 by 20? So 6 by 20, we are converting into percentage. Converting number to percentage or fraction to percentage or decimal to percentage. Only one thing, that is just multiply by 100 and use percentage symbol. So converting number to percentage, multiply by 100 and use percentage symbol. 21s, 25s. So 5 into 6 is 30. So it is 30%. Option D. Students, doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Srivalli.
Sir, it is stacking, sir.
Okay, now you have any doubt in this?
Sir, no, sir.
Karthik, you have any doubt?
Sir, I have doubt in 59th
59th,
question.
59th, what is your doubt? But you are not raising hand from. Yes, 59, what is your doubt? Karthik?
Sir, we can use compensation method.
Yeah, compensation you can use. That means you can make one number 1000, another number you can subtract and you can do that. But then also
Sir,
it will be it will be taking more time than approximation. Okay? Okay, Karthik?
can you explain that method?
Yeah, you want compensation method, right? Yes, let me do
Yes,
it.
sir.
I will create some space here first. Okay, what are the numbers? First, let us write. What are the numbers given? 975, 983, 923, 913, 985. Okay, so we want to make every number as 1000. Okay, so the remaining will become easy. Okay, 975. You want how much extra to make it 1000?
Sir, we can
975.
take 5.
Yeah, you can take extra. How much you want?
Sir, 25.
25. Which number shall we take 25? Can we take it from 985? It will be easy for us. Yes?
Sir, we can take 5 from 985.
No, 25 if you take, it will directly become 1000, right? So what I'm doing is from 985 I'm taking 25 and giving to 975. So this became 1000 and this became 9.
1000.
Yeah, if you take 25 it will become 960, right? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Karthik? Yeah, next 983 I want to make 1000. Extra how much you want?
Sir, 17.
You want 17. So you give 17 from 923 to this. It became 1000, but 923 became, you take 17 away from 23. Is it 906? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 906.
Yes,
And
sir.
now, now it is easy to do the addition, right? Already you have 2000 and these three numbers you want to do addition, right? 900 into
Yes,
2,
sir.
2700. 23, 6, 60. We can add and directly do that. But this is also taking more time than the approximation, right? So always approximation gives you the quick answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Going to the next question, 62nd one. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are given 4 and 48 respectively. What is the meaning of respectively? First mentioned one related to first one, second mentioned one related to the second one. That means HCF is 4 and LCM is 48. One of the numbers, let us call both the numbers A and B. One number is given, one of the numbers 12, and the other number we should find. So how many questions we solved in this method? So many. Okay, what is the property that we are using? Product of the numbers and product of HCF and LCM are always equal. So using this, A you can write 12, B we don't know, let us write B only. HCF is 4 and LCM is 48. So 12 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide. So B is equal to 4 into 48 divided by 12. 12 fours are 48 and 4 fours are 16. So the other number is 16. Students, doubts in this? Sharat? Sharat?
Sir,
Yes, Sharat.
sir, it is suddenly glitched.
Nishika? Nishika? Nishika, what is your doubt? You're not audible to me. Vihan?
Sir,
Yes, Vihan?
sir, doubt in 59th question, sir.
59th. Can you ask me tomorrow in the script?
Okay, sir.
Lokesh?
61st question.
61st. Yes, you remember only one thing, that is whenever you convert any number to percentage, just multiply by 100 and use percentage symbol, right? Then do cuttings. Karthik?
Sir, it is suddenly clicked.
So going to the next one, 63rd one. Yes, the average of the height of 5 students having height 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is, we want the average height. So let us try in some methods and you can understand the use of shortcuts. Yeah, method number 1, average of these students. You know average formula, sum of observations by number of observations. First let us find the sum. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 by number of observations is 5. You want sum, so add all of them. So average formula is sum of observations by number of observations. Add them. 70 plus 30, 100. 60 plus 40, 100. 100, 150. So it is 250. 250 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 0. So it is 50. So the average is 50. Method number 2. Method number 2 is, so again using the same thing, that is 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 divided by 5 you want to do, what you are doing is, to get this sum, what you can do is, already in the previous method only I said some people will directly add 30, 40, 70, 70 plus 50, 120, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 70, 250. But try to make hundreds. 70 and 30 will make 100, 60 and 40 will make 150. So 250 by 5, that will give you 50. But method number 3, that is, so whenever there is a need to find the average and you find equally spaced numbers. What do you mean by equally spaced numbers? The difference should be common. 30, 40 difference is 10. 40, 50 difference is 10. 50, 60 difference is 10. 60, 70 difference is 10. So whenever equal spaced numbers are there, so without any hurry, you can just say the average is middlemost number, that is answer 50 directly. Sometimes middlemost number you don't find when even numbers are there, like even number of observations are there. For example, these cross marks indicate the observations. So how many are there? 6. So can you find the middlemost observation? Not there. In that case, you can go for first and last average. So first and last average always will work. See, 30 and 70 average you can find. 30 plus 70 by 2. That will also give 50. Okay. But whenever middlemost number is there, that is directly the answer 50. Just by seeing the question, we can say the answer 50. Students, doubts in this? Tanush? Tanush? Tanush, you are not audible. Vilochan? Vilochan?
Sir,
Yes, Vilochan.
sir, we can do 40 and 60.
Come again? Yeah, 40 and 60 also you can do. From the middlemost position, symmetric positions we can take. Symmetric means one step left, one step right. Two steps
Sir,
left, two steps right. Like that I can do. Yes.
sir, if 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 are there,
Yes.
sir, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 are there, we can do 20 and 80. In the middle, 70 and 30 also we can do.
Yeah, you can do, no problem. That's what I said. From the middle position, symmetric places you can take. Symmetric means you start from the middle position, going one step left, one step right. You can take those numbers and do. Two steps left, two steps right. You can do. So going same number of steps left and right, you can select the numbers and you can do your wish. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Nishika, you have been raising the hand, but you're not responding. Nishika, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes, Nishika.
sir, can you explain method 3?
Method 3, the difference is common everywhere. 30, 40 difference is 10. 40, 50
Yes,
different. Everywhere it is 10, right?
yes, sir.
Whenever the differences are same, the middlemost number itself is the average. This is only average, 50. Directly we can say. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Going to the next one. The cost of 6 kilograms rice is equal to the cost of 8 kilograms of wheat. If the cost of wheat is 6 rupees per kilogram, then the cost of 1 kg rice is. So the cost of 6 kg rice is equal to, that means how much quantity of rice is there? 6 kilograms of rice. What is the cost of 1 kilogram rice? We don't know. Let us call it X. So the total cost is X 6 into X. That is equal to the cost of 8 kilograms of wheat. 8 kilograms are there. Every kilogram wheat is costing 6 rupees. Now with this, you can find the value of X. 6 can be cancelled on both sides. So the value of X is 8. So the cost of 1 kilogram rice is 8 rupees. Option B. Very simple. Next question. Next question is series completion. So identify the pattern and what will be the next number you should say. So if you go with the differences, I think you may not get the answer. They're not actually the differences. They're prime numbers. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. What is the next prime number after 41? It is going to be 43. So prime numbers you must remember up to 100. So there are 25 exactly in number. Next question, 66. 66th one. A person buys 10 dozen pens at the rate of 24 rupees per dozen and sells them at the rate of 36 rupees a dozen. What is his profit or loss? So, how many pens he is purchasing and selling, that doesn't matter, but only the rate matters. Okay, 24 rupees per dozen he's buying, that is his cost price, selling them at a rate of 36 rupees per dozen. That means this 12 dozen will not change the percentage. Okay, but they're not asking percentage, they're asking profit or loss. Okay, first find the profit or loss on 1 dozen and then you can calculate the total profit. But in the same place of profit or loss, if they ask profit percent, then you need not take this 10 dozen also. Without taking into consideration you can solve, but here they're asking only profit or loss, not profit percent. So you must use 10 dozen pens. So first 1 dozen will do. On 1 dozen, the cost price is 24 rupees and the selling price is 36 rupees. So definitely selling price is greater than cost price. Whenever selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit, and the profit formula is SP minus CP. So selling price is 36 and cost price is 24. This is 12. So in a hurry, you don't go for 12, even if you see the option, but here it's not there. This is only the profit on 1 dozen, but he's doing the business with 10 dozens. So the total or overall profit is on 10 dozens. Every dozen is getting 12 rupees profit. 10 into 12 is 120 rupees profit. Option D. Students, doubts in this? You can raise a hand. Anuvijay?
Sir,
Yes.
I raising a hand, but you not calling, sir.
Okay. Which question you have doubts?
Sir, 62.
62. Okay. 62. You remember the property here, 62, HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers.
Yes.
Now B we want 12 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide. 4 into 48 by 12. You can do cuttings, you'll get the answer, right?
Yes, sir. I cannot understand cuttings.
12 table you can do cuttings. 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, right? 4 into 4
Yes.
is 16. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hansvika, what is your doubt? Hansvika? Hansvika, are you there? You're not audible. Shivansh? Shivansh, what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't understand 66.
66th, 1 dozen pens. At what rate he's buying? Tell me.
Sir, the 10 dozen of
I'm not
pens.
asking 10 dozens. 1 dozen pens. At what rate he's buying?
Sir, 36.
36 is selling price. I'm not asking selling. I'm asking buying. Buying means cost price, right?
Yes, sir.
At 24 rupees, he's buying 1 dozen, and at 36 rupees, he's selling 1 dozen. So, selling price is greater than cost price or less than cost price?
Sir, selling price. Sir, selling price is greater than. So, no.
36 is greater than 24 or less than 24?
Sir, greater than 24.
That means selling price greater than cost price, right?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
selling price is greater than cost price, we get profit or we get loss.
Sir, profit.
Profit, what is a profit formula?
Sir, SP minus CP.
So if you subtract, you get profit is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
12 is on 1 dozen or 10 dozens?
Sir, 10 dozens.
No. Rate of 24 rupees per dozen, 36 rupees a dozen. That means these are dozen calculation. On 1 dozen is getting 12 rupees profit. On 10 dozens, what is the profit? On 1 dozen, 12 rupees profit. On 10 dozens, what is the profit? What you should do? Which operation?
Sir, 10 into 2.
That 10 into not 2, it is 12. It is multiplication. Okay. 10 into 12, you'll get 120 rupees profit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. 67th one. Out of 600 students, 240 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? So percentage chapter, the first formula I gave you, that is whatever is selected quantity that you have to write in the numerator and total quantity you have to write in the denominator into 100. That is the percentage formula selected by total into 100. So who are selected here? Girls. Percentage of girls they are asking. How many girls are there? 240. Total how many students are there? 600 students into 100. So this question paper, the maths questions are very, very simple. Direct questions they're asking. So in 100, two zeros, in 600, two zeros can be cancelled. That means we are doing division by 100. 100 ones, 106. 6 fours are 24 and 0. So what is the percentage of girls? 40% girls, option C. And next, 68th is a simplification question, and that is also very simple. 68th one. Okay, so we are going to first let us write this 6 divided by 2 in brackets multiplied by 3, again using brackets into 2 and brackets. Yes. So let us solve this using the erasing method. V board mass, we are going to use V board. Yes, V for vinculum, not there in this. B for bracket. There are actually 3 brackets. So which bracket we have to open first? The innermost bracket. So innermost bracket is this 6 divided by 2. So what is 6 divided by 2? We know it is 3. So we can erase that and write 3 here. Next innermost bracket is this 3 divided by 3. What is 3 divided by 3? 9. So we can write 9 here. And the next bracket is this 9 twos are 18. So everything is gone, only 18 is remaining, option B. So students till 68, you have any doubts, you can raise a hand. Sharath, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is touching.
Sharath, is it clear now?
Sir, now. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope the previous questions are very simple and you have followed everything.
Yes, sir.
Vilochan, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can write a 6 by 2 into 3 into 2. 2 to cancel 6 3 are 18.
Yeah, you can do that. Because here only multiplication and division are there, you can convert everything into fraction and write. But if plus and minus comes, there will be a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vihan, what is your doubt?
Sir, hand raising from 63, sir.
Okay, what is your problem?
Sir, I have doubt in 63, sir.
In that 63, okay, let me go back. Yes, 63. What is your doubt?
We have odd numbers. We have even numbers. What can I do?
That's what I have explained here. How many crosses I have used here?
Sir, 6.
6 is even or odd.
Sir, even.
If they are equally spaced, then we don't find any middlemost number, right?
Yes, sir.
In that you can take the first one, last one. Only for these two you can find average. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Or you can take this one, and find average. Or you can take this one, and find average. Then also it will be correct. Okay?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can take last from left hand from last.
Yeah, first one from left, first one from right. Second one
Sir,
from
no.
left, second one from right. Like that.
Sir, we can left hand first, right hand first and second, sir. First, last to second, we get average.
No, we don't get. Second from the first, second from the last you will get. Symmetrically you should go.
Okay, sir.
Okay, going to the next one, 69th question. What is simple interest on 1800 rupees for 10 years at the rate of 10% per annum? Again, direct question. So we know first of all you need to identify the numbers are showing which quantities that we use in the formula. On 1800, that means this is the principal. For 10 years, what is this time period? And what is this 10% per annum? This is rate of interest. So we need to calculate the simple interest. Simple interest formula, I is equal to PTR by 100. Principal is 1800 rupees, time period is 10 years, and rate of interest is 10% by 100. So two zeros cancel. 18 into, again you're getting two zeros. 1800. 1800 rupees, option D. Direct question. 70. Going to the next one. Yes, 70th question. A man buys a radio for 900. That means this is the cost price, and sells it for 1200 rupees. So this is the selling price. Find his gain percent. Again, direct question we have. Okay. Profit percent they're asking. Gain percent or profit percent, both are same. Profit percent is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. So profit is nothing but SP minus CP, we know. SP minus CP by CP into 100. So SP is given 1200, CP is given 900, divided by CP is CP is 900 into 100. So 1200 minus 900, we can write it 300. So two zeros cancel, three ones, three threes, 100 by 3. This is improper fraction, converting into mixed. So 100 you can divide by 3. 3 into 33 is 99, remainder is 1. So to convert into mixed, what I said, QRD. Q for quotient 33, R for remainder 1, D for divisor 3. So that is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So this is method number 1. I told you the ratio proportion concept is very, very useful in almost all the topics in arithmetic. Okay, let us use to calculate for profit percent also. Okay, so what I do is I will write this column for profit, I'll write this column for cost price. Okay, um, on 900 rupees cost price, what is the profit? 300 rupees profit. Okay, but what is percentage? Percent means for 100. If 100 rupees cost price is there, what is the profit? That is only profit percent. So we know how to solve this in unitary method. Question mark related one in the vertical column, that is 300 into. Now use your common sense and tell me, for 900 rupees cost price, profit is 300. For 100 rupees cost price, what is the profit? It's going to be less or more? Less. So we want to write less by more, that is 100 by 900. Two zeros cancel. 3 into 100, 3 into 3. Again we got 100 by 3. It's nothing but 33 1 by 3%. So without writing like this, you can simply say one more thing also. From 900, it became divided by 9. So from 300 also we should do divided by 9. Why is this working? Because this is direct proportion. For direct proportion, this will work. So same operation can be carried out. So 300 divided by 9. Again, you can write directly 300 by 9 is nothing but 3 into 100, 3 into 3. Again, you'll get 33 1 by 3%. So knowing the short tricks are useful for complex questions to save time and move forward. Okay, so this is the standard method that you are using in the profit percent profit and loss chapter, and this short trick is based on the unitary method. So anyhow you do, you get the same answer. Doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Srivalli, what is your doubt now? Srivalli?
Sir, I don't understand second method, sir.
Second method. See, Rutvik, what do you mean by profit percent?
So,
I
P
told you cent means representing 100, right?
yes, sir.
For 100 rupees cost price, whatever profit you are getting, that can be treated as profit percent, I told you, right?
Yes, sir.
For 900 rupees, 300 is a profit. For 100 rupees, what is the profit you find? That is only profit percent, right?
Yes, sir.
So for 900, it is 300. For 100, how much? How 900 became 100? We divided by 9, right?
Yes, sir.
300 also divide by 9 and simplify, you'll get 33 1 by 3%. Option D. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Cyber then. Cyber then.
Sir, I have one more method.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, profit is 300 and cost price is 900. Ratio is sir, we can write 300 by 900 into 100. We can 100.
Yes, that is using fractions. You can call it still method number 3. Okay? Using fractions also, you are able to do whatever I'm writing on the screen. Can you see Cyber then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in fractions method also we can do that. So what we can do is the profit always compared to the cost price multiplied by 100, but that is nothing but this formula only.
Profit percent. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? But that is I have to show here. That is nothing but this formula only. Profit by cost price into 100.
Yes, sir.
But you can simply convert into fraction and multiply by 100. You get the same answer. Okay. Okay. Very good. Going to the next one. #71. Which of the following is not a factor of 316? One is always a factor of any number, so one is accepted, and 8 we know the divisibility rule of 8, that is last 3 digit we need to check, but is only having 3 digits, so no use of divisibility rule, so we must go for division only. So 316 I have to divide by 8. 8 threes are 24, remainder is 76. So 76 is not divisible, but to complete the division, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, remainder 4. So it is not divisible. So 9 is not, 8 is not a factor of 316. 79 is a factor of 316, maybe multiplied by 4. Yes, 280, 36. You are getting 79 is also a factor of, this is not a factor. 79 is a factor. 158 into 2. Yes, this is also a factor. So we want not a factor. That is option B. 8 is clearly not divising 316. Going to the next one, 72. 72 is fraction simplification. Yes. So about fraction simplification, I told you one thing. Whenever you are finding addition or doing addition or subtraction, don't convert mixed fractions into improper. Be in mixed fraction only, you can get the answer quickly. But if if you are doing multiplication or division, you must convert into improper to get the answer quickly. By writing 10 plus 2 by 5 also you can do, but unnecessarily you have to expand that and multiply again. But convert into improper whenever you're doing multiplication or division. Okay. So 10 2 by 5. Let us convert this into improper. 5 into 10, 50, plus 2 is 52. So 52 by 5 into 8 4 by 5. So multiply. 5 8s are 40 and 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 by 5. But we know about division, right? Okay, let us write division only. Let us do it in the next step. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 by 5. So first we need to do division. Okay, this one we have to operate first. So 52 52 by 5 I am writing as it is multiplied by. How to do division of fractions? First fraction as it is, division become multiplication, second fraction become reciprocal. So it is 5 by 22. Now cancellations, 5 ones, 5 ones, 22 table, 22 twos. Now what is remaining? 52 into 2 is 104. 104 by 5. But there is no option given. Don't panic. Try to convert into mixed. 5 into 20 is 100. 4 is remaining. That is 24 by 5. Option A. So this is only simplification. Going to the next one, 73. 73rd one. The average score of a cricketer in 2 matches is 27 runs and in 3 other matches is 32 runs. Then his average score in all the 5 matches is. Okay. So I'll tell you method number 1 and method number 2. Method number 2 will be the shortcut you can remember. So 1, 2, these are 2 matches and there are other 3 matches also. Average score of a cricketer in 2 matches. 2 matches together, the average score is 27. And the other 3 matches, average score is 32. Now for the whole 5 matches, you need to find the average score. What you need to do is, I told you average is sum by number. Similarly, if you want sum number, you can transpose to the left side. It will become average into number. Okay. So this also you can remember. To get the sum average into number, we can do. So average is 27 and number, how many are there here? 2. How many are there here? 3. 27 into 2. So that is 54. So sum of the runs in first 2 matches is 54. And to get the sum of the runs in the 3 matches, 32 into 3 we should do. That is 96. Okay. Now I want the total average. So 54 plus 96 you do. You'll get the sum of scores in all the 5 matches divided by. Now the total number of matches will become 5. So it is, I want to give 4 to 96. So this will become 100 and this will become 50. So addition becomes easy. That is 150 divided by 5. That becomes 30. So 30 is the average of all the 5 matches together. So what is the shortcut? Shortcut is this type of questions. Whenever average of some numbers, average of other numbers are given and total average you want to find, what you do is, first, what is the average in the first group? You write multiplied by how many observations are there, you write that, and plus what is the average in the second group? 32 into how many observations are there? 3 divided by 2 plus 3. So without writing all this, just we can remember like a rule: average into number plus average into number plus sum of the numbers. That is the direct result. You can remember this type of questions. So without writing all these, directly you go to the same expression and start simplifying. So that will be very easy. So when you will be using this, whenever average of one group and average of another group is given, then average into number plus average into number by sum of numbers. So this will also give you the same answer, 30. That is option C. 2 more questions are there. After completing them, I will open for doubts. You can ask me previous questions as well, because we have only few minutes left and only 2 questions. We'll complete this. 74. The sum of the fractions is, let us write 2 by 9, 4 by 3 and 6 by 18. First, if simplification is possible, do it. One of the fraction simplification is possible. 6 ones and 6 threes. So 3, 3, 9. They are unlike fractions, converting into like fractions. 9, 3, 3. LCM will be 9. Already this is 9. Don't disturb that. But I want to make this 9. So this is 3 into 3 and this is 3 into 3. Okay. And for the first time only, without doing the cuttings like everything, we know 9 is going to come. So let's do cuttings like this. Okay. Without simplifying completely, just do division by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. I'm not simplifying further. Why? Because even if you simplify, I get 1 by 3. Again converting into 9, again I'll do now. Again From 3 by 9 you go to 1 by 3 and again 1 by 3 to 3 by 9. Why to waste time? Let it be 3 by 9 only. Okay. Now we want to add them. All the denominators are 9, 9, 9. So you can add 2 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 divided by the common denominator 9. So 14 plus 3 is 17 by 9. That is option A. So very simple addition of fractions. Last question in this paper. With this paper discussion will be done. After that, I'll open for doubts. $75. Last question. The value of this decimal division. So I saw all the questions in this. Very, very simple questions in this paper. Let me see how many of you are going to get 25. Today itself, by tonight, I'm going to give this result because more than you, I am interested in the result. So let us see. 0.17, 20.91 divided by 0.17. Okay, so we discussed one thing. If same number of decimal places are there in the numerator and denominator, two places. So irrespective of the decimal number, places, everything, you can just cancel out the decimal point. So don't treat the decimal point is do not treat the decimal point is there. So 2091 divided by 17. So let us do this. 17 table directly you start cutting. 17 ones are 17. 20 minus 17 is 3. 3 9 39. 17 twos are 34. 39 minus 34 is 5. 5 1 51. 17 threes are 51. We got the answer 123. 123 can be written as 123.0. After point any number of zeros, you'll get the same whole number. Option D. So this paper discussion is done from my side. But if you have any doubts in the previous few questions, you can ask me. Aditi, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain again 75?
25th one, 20.91. How many decimal places are there?
Sir, 2.
0.17. How many decimal places are there?
Sir, 2.
So two places. Whenever same number of decimal places are there, you can simply remove the decimal points. So it will become 2091 by 17.
Yes, sir.
From there onwards, you can do just division only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, and we add the decimal. Sir, why did you get point 0?
See, 123, 123.0, both are same, but in the options they gave 0.0, so I choose that. 123.0 is same as 123 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Vilochan.
sir, 73 question.
73. Okay. Yes, 73. Yes, Vilochan.
Sir, method 2. Sir, why 30 comes, sir?
You simplify and try, you will get it. You do in the rough work.
Sir, 27, 32 not usable by 5, sir.
See, whenever plus is there, how can you do division of these two or these two? You
Sir,
cannot do.
27.
First, you have to simplify this, then you have to simplify this and add. After adding, you go for cuttings. Okay?
Sir, means method 1 and method 2 are same, na, sir?
Same only, but without analyzing like this is a separate group, that is a separate group. I told you one short trick, that is first group average, let us call A1. Second group average, let us call A2. And first group number, let us call N1. Second group number, let us call N2. Okay. So this is a direct formula you can remember. That's what I said. Okay. A1 N1 plus A2 N2 by N1 plus N2. That is a direct formula you can remember. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh. Shivansh.
Sir, your video is stucking.
Shivansh, can you leave and join again? Sahasra.
Sir, I have 4 doubts.
4 doubts. Yes. What is the first one?
Sir, 67.
67 long back. Yes, 67. Very simple question, Sahasra. Percentage, what is the formula? Selected by total into 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So girls, how many? 240. Total 600 into 100. Simplify.
Sir, next is 20.
70. Yes, 70 is simply profit percentage. Profit percent, you know the formula, right? Profit by cost price into 100.
Yes, sir.
Nishant, Nishant,
Sir,
Nishant, what is your doubt?
the 71.
Come again.
71.
71. Which of the following is not a factor of 316? Is one factor of every number, Nishant?
Yes, sir.
That means 316 if you divide with 1, 1 into 316 is 316, remainder 0. Remainder 0 means it is a factor.
Yes, sir.
With 79 you divide 316. 79 fours are 316, remainder 0, it's a factor.
Yes, sir.
With 158 you divide 316. 158 into 2 is 316, remainder is 0. This is also a factor. But only 8 is not giving the remainder 0. So it is not a factor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, so many hands are raising. If you have still any doubts remaining, you can ask me tomorrow. Study our time. Okay. So that's it, students. Thank you for joining. This is the paper discussion of this paper is done, and I'll try to give the result by tonight. Okay. Stay tuned to the app. You will get the result by tonight. Thank you for joining, all of you. You may give the feedback of today's class, and you may leave the class now.